Want to master SQL with testing? Listen to these essential queries. Number 1. Filtering data with where clause. Narrow down your result with the where clause. This is essential for pinpointing specific data in a large data set. Number 2. Often data is spread across multiple tables. So joins help you combine these tables based on related columns. Number 3. Aggregate functions. To summarize data, use aggregate functions like count, sum, average or AVG, max and mean. These 5 functions are invaluable for generating insights from your data. Number 4. To group your result based on a column, use group by. This is particularly useful for reporting and analysis. And number 5. Using subqueries. Sometimes you need to query data based on the result of another query. This is where subqueries come in handy. So mastering these SQL queries will significantly boost your testing skills and help you handle complex data sets with ease. If you found this helpful, follow me for more SQL tips and testing strategies. See you next time.